Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Today's video is coming to you on Sunday in honor of Mother's Day, and I'm going to show you guys 3 different looks that I styled for my mom using one of her favorite kimonos. So for this first look, I did want to start out with something more casual. My mom rarely wears sneakers and she likes the Vans and they somewhat fit her, so I decided to make an outfit around that. Keep it simple with just a t-shirt and some high-waisted jeans. And I decided to also pair it with a Zara book bag because it is kind of like a fun, more sportier look. She tends to rock book bags from time to time, so I thought that she would like this. For the next look, I wanted to give her something a little bit more appropriate for work, or I guess more like a business casual kind of setting. We put it on with some sandals, and I'm just going to use the belt to accent her waist a little bit. And we're going to throw in her very favorite everyday purse that I can't get her to stop using, but she loves it, and she's ready to go for the second look. Now for the last look, I did want to show how the kimono could be used for a more dressier outfit or as a cover-up. She is using this brooch to kind of close it, but you can leave it open depending on the style, and I paired it with some black simple heels and a fancy DIY clutch. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful mothers out there, and I hope that you have a wonderful week. I'll see you next time in the next video.